Okay, so I want to do this work rate problem. It's on page 251, number 5. A town's old street sweeper can clean the streets in 60 hours. The old sweeper, together with a new sweeper, can clean the streets in 15 hours. How long would it take the new sweeper to do the job alone? So basically, we need to find the rate for the new sweeper. We have the rate for the old one and the rate for both. So I like to set up a chart to solve the problem. So if I set up a chart with what the problem is talking about, okay, we have, I need one more section here. We have an old sweeper, a new sweeper, right? And what else do we know? All right, well, we're talking about rate, time, and the job being done is really the work. So, when you're doing problems like this, the old sweeper, they said it takes 60 hours, so its rate is based on a fraction based on the time to do the work. So the fraction for the old sweeper, since the total time is 60 hours, its rate is 1/60th of the job in 1 hour. So your rate is usually, well, in this case we're going to go per hour, but it could be per day or per week or some other units. You want to make sure that the whole problem is doing the rate the same way. So how long does it take the new sweeper to do the job alone? Well, that's what we're looking for. So I guess the new sweeper would take X hours. So when the old sweeper took 60 hours, its rate was 1/60. So if the new sweeper takes X hours, what's its rate? I hope you said 1/X. All right. Now, the time is kind of easy because they both work together, and how long did it take? 15 hours. So the old sweeper was working for 15 hours, and the new sweeper was working for 15 hours. And the work done is rate times time, so this case it's 15/60, and in this case it's 15/X. And basically both of these machines are going to work to do the job. So 15/60 plus 15/X equals 1 job done. And now, if we try to solve that equation for X, first of all, you know that you have to multiply by the common denominator, which would be what? Yeah, 60X. So I'm going to multiply each part of the problem by 60X. 60X here, 60X here, 60X here. And then I'll do a little reducing. Here the 60 cancels out. Here the X. So I get 15X plus 60 times 15 equals 60X. Well, we could subtract 15X from both sides, so now I have 60 times 15. If you had a calculator, you could multiply that out. I like to save my multiplying till the end. So equals 45X. You know how I got the 45, right? 60 take away 15. How am I going to solve this for X? Right, divide by 45. Now you can see why I kind of waited on my multiplying, because now I can reduce, because 15 goes into 45 3 times, right? 1, 3. 3 goes into 60, 20. So X equals 20. 20 what? What were we talking about? Hours. So X equals 20 hours. 20 hours for the new sweeper. And the rate for the new sweeper is 1/20. But 20 hours. So that was easy. Hopefully you can try some more of these and see if you can get a little bit better at them. Good luck.